Hey, if you want to make calls in the Redmi Watch 4, for sure you can do this. So take a look. You will have to actually bring the main menu by clicking on this button, and now you will have to find the phone icon. Click on it, and now from here you can actually click on this green icon and manually input any phone number. After this, you can just click on the call icon, and now your watch is actually calling.
Wybrany numer jest niedostępny. The chosen number is unavailable.
You can also switch this call into your phone by selecting just from here into your phone. So now you will actually hear the call on your phone instead of your watch. So that's how you can do this. You can also pick something from the contacts. There we go. But previously you have to actually go into the Mi Fitness application and add the contacts just right here. So go into the favorite contacts, now click to add and import anything from your phone. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.